Clean the legs with a towel. Measure the size of the lower leg and the thigh and keep a record. Apply gel evenly to the treated part. Attention, please remove all metal objects from the body, otherwise, unexpected situations may occur, affecting the curative effect. Those with implanted metal stents, a contraceptive ring is not included, cannot use it. Launch the machine. Select Household, click Leg Slimming, and press the Start button for treatment. Parameters are default and can be set manually for individual tolerance. Cavitation RF, 20 minutes. Draw small circles on the lower leg, 1 minute. Move the device back and forth between the knee and the thigh root, 2 minutes. Draw circles from the knee to the thigh root, 3 minutes. Push crossly in one line after another from the thigh's outer side to the middle, 2 minutes. Push crossly in one line after another from the thigh's inner side to the middle, 2 minutes. Do the same on the other side. Clean the treated part. The treatment takes 30 to 40 minutes. Take it at least 3 times a week.